for aha Ayɛka SMTVGH, message our like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded,
Make I tell you people, get us jobs. That's the only solution. It's not the jobs that you do the community police in this way, then they go work 7 months this, 2 years this, you don't pay them, no. It's not that job. People sell gold, you sell gold, $12 billion. What to take their monies they do? What people they take monies they do? Hey, no factory for the country inside. Nonsense. See, you go there, you go put a kufi for there. So now they come, they put a kufi. Ordinary Ghanaian nothing by your mothers. Tomato factory, ordinary Ghanaian nothing by your mothers. Now you're putting your people on. Oh, there is a this one. Oh, there is a that one. Your mothers. Fucking criminals. You are asking why rate of crime is high. It's because of the bullshit people are doing there. You are circulating the money up there, thieves. You got that one country if you take 100 years build one house. Still cry, you'll be in debt if care is not even taking animals. Fuck you all. Yeah, I thought I'm fuck you all. I thought I'm fuck you all. I mean, I try to voice and go respect my body. They tell me so I know medical don't insult anybody. But still, I did all my businesses they have nothing. You go put money for bank inside and go deduct all the money. Your tax system you not going to pay. Money custody. Your mothers.
And sing stories and just say all manner of things we directed, we will ensure going forward. Please. We are tired.
Because if they knew says how do you in school, and a moment into imagine say na a weekday. Our school our school. Thank you.
We are tired. They will say plans are far advanced and all those things. Obi my main cousin back on we are in this country and there's a fight against illegal mining.
Yes.
My main control completely.
Yes.
Okay. Me free asinfusu. Ana me be Kumasi. Just this weekend.
Okay.
Ana me ko oda nti omo kire me kwan bi a eye Bonfa junction.
Okay.
Ana me fa ko fa Bonfa chiase asante achima ofo ase duma south hefa obi. You can't imagine the fellow daylight galamsey
along the road.
Walla yeah.
Along the road.
Daylight galamsey.
Wow.
Daylight. Obi, eti ja ye nya abutre na onyame nkura kra because so hwe de ye pan de ye ka dia. Na me hwete se 9 months for press o maka say they want to be resource for them. Oh, please. You know, Obi completely will be a free bar. Even where our Minister for Lands and Natural comes from. And that the Bush for one. No, be where should they do machine kakaka do masani or ye call a forest near Bugum. Now, yeah, for forest bakum cranum. You see, no hunting. Near Iku Adwa every on mobile. No hunting a ball.
Now, yes,
MPs no more. No. Young man of foreign affairs, the constituency, and also a China Bosch here, and about Kona, also MPP, and about me election dino, also so Casa, say a chim or Casa, Baumia, or no, these are the three. Miss Coher proper illegal mine. Or more bridge back the Bogum say, Dry, Corona Brefi.
Away at some horse now.
There be a Santi Bosch here near Chimnonji from Jimmy Chochon, from now see Crown of Mumu, no Masama fans. Hey, Mokasa was raw. That there's even no need to take a pic. Oh, Kasa was raw. I just want to himself, Okasa. But I never 2 minutes away. A nuso, Bonfa Chiase, Asante Achim of France, a Dumasao,
Galamsey.
Oh, you know, where the media may catch though. Missy Forest back quick of more. Take forest, almost in India, redwood, Newawa, almost say no hunting. Then, no hunting. Missy, you're calling him baby and hunters, better. Hey, only my Jenny can say, must have you come to be out. What pizza? I want a color class in both at that. What could be a tree? No hunting. Eddie, my man, Kwana Senior, me was a news file. I mean, Kumasu Hini, Zunavi, why Emre. You know, until also Messi and Wakakakra. Oh my buying put to the house on the Kakra. They were saying was here to do a buy. Was Wama Abuja, why say Gaga. Asamba. Oh, opposition. Ya de pimo news file na fa o katraba nyina bebre ina so yin nipa na news file
Oh,
by virtue of registration as snit nipa near 4 na say me admo Gifanko o ba wan nipa go Gifanko to but snit for na register o mo register on snit no e bia be 18 add-ons nko a eti o ka say nipa 4 na admo o sa company no kan na en no am sere
no I was say o interrogating
snit adwuma ko no eba company ebebusa say enipa sen
yes
ana omoye adwumayefo a
yes
sebe na omudi dwuma
yes
snake nkrata mu ye baje fam kwa
yes
yenim nipa dodo a ye fanko ya fa etua master titi obi ababia snake besa na otrasa ka say any onye certain what no be
ba say snake clearance certificate no prima facie may not be conclusive evidence of the number of staff. No, let's that certificate no snake payment compliance and no evidence of the number of staff.
Let me tell it. We are not dealing with this country.
Yes.
Sa bro for same year na dey do say no. We are not hold on. Hold on me ba. Me say, hold on me ba over chiri me mu. Dey be that time me kwa ma educate. I don't have a problem.
That's fine.
But I'm saying that enough of these kind of situations because people dodge under this. Now we share papa we on news file. Now her situation e wo me see here. Now we treat this situation as trivial. Do we have a country that we can trust?
No, I agree with you. Any American, the American is say tie. We enter in the Yamiadom Wabano, all Banzo a document be bring a one. What I'm saying is, so share number of staff
from
of a company.
Yaji packages for the ministry and the minister. Kofa BMB, massage na Professor Mills late. Now for the currency, Nibu fufu. Take that timber. Ebesi near that such pick up message. Sky this is how do we fight corruption? I don't know. How do we fight corruption? Jogi di super so. And the fault. You say package no hold your contract. Now the sign man become more de man, baby, I'm free as all cars, it's almost Sahani ya besine. You see a corruption. Now the so be Obiama making minister, and the corporate chair. We are crowded. Many call for the bottom dada. Or na money. Yeah, call you baby. And people go scot free one day. Oh, please. Now what's happening? These government institutions, so-called, are only effective when power changes. Mommy break oh please.
You go see says na.
Enko ye bigobi. So our dance for an cassette timbe Daniel Sem, and yes or Daniel Sem no. Eko can adhere opposite your expectation, and that I know it wasn't the expectation. Sure. It's dangerous. Say adance the kwa could do say baby cry the whole security setup no. We needed a certain amount of money. Now a challenge for us. People had to organize. Is that how we have lived? Is this information supposed to be out?
I mean, say the sika egu Ghana ma bag national security sika the koha. I mean some of the details are airborne. I mean the powers that be would have to sit back and say listen, something would have to be done. I mean it doesn't mean say obia ye boni e jaine man in kokwa, but there should be something. I mean even if it will be in camera hearings in kwa Emma Bonting, something would have to happen. So I was so out of court because the jurisprudence any ordinance Emma Quine. So for some cases, no, I mean, we should explore other avenues.
Well, one see I know say lawyer, lawyer Bakwa send me say main cooking can Security and Intelligence Agencies Act.
Sure. Emma avenues on how to deal with some of these.
Yes. A very useful conversation.
Yes. I mean, to the extent, say, all the investigations were done by Ioko and these are national security way. Could national security have done better investigations into this? I mean, I think we need to look at this whole thing because baby, air corner cross examination so. Now some of the revelations are ever from officers of national security. I don't think it it would help. It would
So
help.
even if the contention is about and other matters be amongst the other matters are a certain machine or facility be Israel fire. All these are dangerous.
I mean, some of the suppliers
all these are
These are classified national security info. We're not making about the say umbetimenya internal.
Okay.
Security and Intelligence Agencies Act now. Complaint tribunal, that's section 27. I say the Chief Justice shall, on receipt of a complaint under section 26, appoint within a period of 60 days a tribunal of 3 persons to examine and determine the issues in the complaint. The tribunal shall consist of a justice of the High Court, a retired justice of the High Court, or a lawyer who qualifies to be appointed as justice of the High Court, and two other persons, one of whom is a person with considerable knowledge in the area of the subject matter of the complaint and operation of intelligence agencies in general. And it clearly, the Security and Intelligence Act, a pathway. So if we say being the operations of national security, how to deal with them, just to protect the integrity and the sanctity of the institution. National security cannot be traded on an altar of Charlie. It's not cool. We need to find a way, because Charlie, cross-examination in Nyoma Ebeba app, I don't think it would help.
Again,
and we need our security couples, we need to know what they think about the ECOSI. We need to know what they think about
it. My interest on this matter is based on the security education.
Yes.
Area Kandapa on several occasions, not one, not two. Oshia Central Fobimo or Kachre say we are partners in managing the security of this country.
Sure.
It is true. Yeah, onyame ya doma ya no abedu dwem kakra no. Ni ekuta major platforms.
Yes.
Adie bia fa Ghana bambo hon komo no. Say ye dia yenye careful. And okay, all the security couples are back from our BNI institutions, our national security institutions, interior, or military and police. Omukasa limited. Very limited. So what I say, say more friends say indoor, closed door conversation about Chimatobia Abba Obijumedienwa. I don't think, in all humility to the authorities, this should be a subject matter. And unfortunately for us as a country, and common also a free sang at the animal banner.
And shut down. And even what I read from the Security and Intelligence Way Act, the tribunal now Chief Justice best set it up, and your tribunal are only powers of a court. Or more powers I say when they listen, na say who say had for they can sentence you and give you some consequence. Because the act is clear on what the Chief Justice can do and what can happen should you be found guilty. In this money now, so we can protect the sanctity and the integrity of our national security. It is extremely important that we do that. It's extremely important.
Media maka we na media mesa can be say we should not take a lot of things for granted.
For granted, sure.
So what I say because Obi, yeah, attorney generally, and I'm happy say what ya dakaka in terms of weekly press conferences.
Yes.
Ama say you say ebia wakote odi djuma sonko kra, but edu baby it was like the whole exercise was filled with is it coming to just misrepresent situations and then your party people will be okay, and when we go to court what comes out from court, like what I have said, is not what you are saying on radio or the press conferences. Is that what we wanted to achieve? And the danger here is that if you misrepresent and malign in court, you hurt people. Moi want to say court to bad time and the beti match say assume say na obenten na na montu we ni ye we ne kasa we sa dwumedi odi e sin talk ese pa abem. So why do we even conclude we be go jail, we be go say, we be say ready for jail, cut for jail, whooping sounds, blah blah blah, and all that we are seeing and hearing different stories from the court. Mr.
But one thing we also have to understand is in as much as the Attorney General is also the minister responsible for justice, or no so na Constitution demand the mandate to prosecute all civil and criminal cases involve state. What it means, they say the Attorney General at every point in time a interested party. Into your man say AGN agent say or the man here kwabna sante e court. AG ni interested party ni aim and say obenya den conviction. But that conviction should come through due process. Obe take you through due process. But our interest, because of person or convicted.
But your interest should not lead us astray.
I get that.
Your interest should not jump to conclusions. He said, "Na sebi so obi sebi. So oka say oba to ni friend ka so oba to boaboa.
Na all the.
Then you feel so you arm the person even with more information. Because already over two onu to akeka nsema kese nyina e wa abonten.
Sure.
Because no nipa na adwene kra.
Before then, Moamunim say, me just send me betu money about your studio. Person your movie free. We me single room muna meet you. Me single room. The mpano ani and I made a corner we mo every year we juma go ne nam. And sometimes also go for omo around omo so we MPP ni. And it's not really too good. Can say my landlord say to me sorry na or catch me say or NDC ni rent not with me too much anyhow because me MPP ni India na media hands here ejuma ni India enti na yesi na crofo bi so o person be join kana sem no na yem boa MPP right but yeah omutumi ba me dem de bia sa right, one is a mini privacy, yeah.